Good morning, all of you. My name is Amit Sishodia, and I'm going to discuss about some programs in Python. Okay, so today we will going to make programs in Python and then we execute that. So first, I am going to open ideally. Okay, now your window will appear. So first one is interactive mode. We have to work on the script mode. So we have to click on File and then New File. Now this window will appear. Now today we are going to make a program of finding the area of a square. Okay. So if we want to find the area of a square, what we need to find the area of a square, we need a side. Okay. We need to know the side of the square. So first variable I am going to take side. Okay, and I want to take it from the I want to take the value of site from the user. So I am writing int. I want integer value, and then I am going to take the input from the user. So I am writing input. Okay, and then I am writing the message for the user. Means enter the value of site. Yeah, enter the site. Okay. Now I'm closing this bracket. Okay, so I have opened the two brackets, so I have to close two one. Okay, now I know area. I'm writing area is a variable. Now I'm taking the variable name area. So area equal to area of square is area equal to side into side side. Okay, so I have written the area equal to side into side. Now I want to provide the output to the user. So for that I have to write print. Okay, print is for giving the output to the user. Print area of square. Area of square is okay. So now I am writing the area of a square is comma. What is the area of a square? Area. I have write take the value of area in area variable. So I have to write the variable name area. So value of area is stored in area variable. So I have written the area. Now what I have to do? I have to save this file. So I have to click on file, save as, and then a dialog box will appear. I have to write a square sq, okay, for a square, and then py. Okay, whenever we are going to save the Python file, then we have to use the extension .py. Okay, so I have written the .py. Now I am going to save. Okay, now I have to run. You can run it with the help of shortcut key, that is F5, or you can click here also, run and run module. Now it is asking enter the side. Suppose I am writing 15. Okay. Now when I press enter, so 15 into 15 is equal to 225. So area of square is 225. So answer is given to us by the system. Okay. So this is a way by which you can create the program of finding the area of a square. Now I want to find the area of rectangle. Now what I have to do? If I want to find the area of rectangle, so area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So I need length also and I need breadth also. For this, I have to take the variable length L, okay, and B for breadth, okay, and then what I have to do, I can copy this line, and then paste. Okay, and in first one I will write enter the length. Okay, in second one I will write enter the breadth. Okay, and then area equal to, I am taking the variable name is area, so area equal to L multiply B. Okay, now I am writing area of square. Square नहीं हम लिख रहे हैं, here we have to write rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle. So whatever the text that is visible in green color is a message for the user. You can write anything in this double quotes, okay, that will not disturb the program. But the purple keywords, you have to write it in the small case and in the this manner, okay. You can not make any changes in this purple. These are the keywords, okay. And you cannot take these keywords as a variable name. You cannot take the variable name as input, okay. So, and this black one is variables name, okay. And this purple is keywords, and this green one is the simple message for the user. Means the user will read this message and will provide the value, or he or she can get the output, whatever, okay. Now again I have to save the file, okay. I'm not saving the file with the new name. I will simply click on Control plus S, so it will overwrite that previous program. Now I have to click on run and then click on run module. Now it is asking enter the length. Suppose I am entering the length 25 and then press enter. Enter the breadth. I am writing again 14. Okay. Now I have provided the value of length and breadth, and then I will press enter. Now the area of rectangle is 350. When you multiply 25 into 14, the answer will be 350. Now next, now I will make a program of finding the simple interest. Okay, how you can find the simple interest? For finding the simple interest, you need a principal rate and time. Okay, so for this we need a three variables. Okay, suppose I'm going to copy this one, and now I'm taking the three variable names. Suppose first one is P, second one is R, and third one is name is T. Okay, and here I am going to write principal, and here I am going to write rate, and here I am going to write time. Okay, now we are going to find simple interest. So I am writing SI equal to P multiply R multiply T, okay. But P into R into T upon 100, we have to use 100 also now, so we have to divide this one by 100, okay. Simple interest equal to P into R into T upon 100, okay. Now I'm writing here output is simple interest. Simple interest is, here I am writing variable name is SI, okay. Control plus S, and then I will click F5, okay. Now it is asking write down the principal is 1000, then rate equal to 15, and time equal to 2 years, and simple interest equal to 300, okay. So this is a way by which you can find out the simple interest, okay. One more changes I can do here, means to make it more attractive or more readable. What I will write, the simple interest, okay, for simple interest for principal, okay, is, okay, simple interest for P is SI. Now again control plus S and then F5. Okay, one more thing that I have forget is comma. Okay, control plus S F5. Now principal is 1000 and rate is 15 and time is 2 years. Now when I press, Now it will show simple interest for 1000 is 300. So what I have changed here, I have put the value of principal. So whatever the principal value is, it will show you. Okay. So what I have did, I simply write P here. Okay, with the help of commas. Okay, and this principal is a variable, so you cannot put this in a double quotes. Okay, so this is a way by which you can make programs. There are so many programs that you can prepare. There are so many formulas in maths. You can use that formulas for preparing so many programs. You can prepare your own calculator also. Okay, so practice as much as you can, and it will really an interesting language and simple to learn and execute. Thank you for today.